Many of my friends have reached out to me curious about data management. To truly understand data management, there are 5 fundamental concepts that you need to know. The most effective way to understand these concepts is through a simple example. Imagine a scenario where a manager asks an analyst to generate a report on business performance. The analyst extracts data from both the sales and customer databases, merges the datasets, corrects some inconsistencies, and produces the final results. Let's have our discussion today based on this simple scenario. Concept number 1, fit for purpose. If I were to sum up excellent data in one word, it would be fit for purpose. When data is fit for purpose, then the data is suitable for a specific use or task. In other words, data is considered fit for purpose when it meets the requirements and criteria necessary for a particular application or analysis. In our example, after the analyst combines data from various sources, there are likely some discrepancies that she has to address. She has to standardize phone number formats, and she has to filter out inactive customers using some customized logic. She might also have to exclude transactions that were cancelled or refunded. However, here is the issue. Consider another manager ask a different analyst for similar data. The resulting figures could be very different because the analyst might have interpreted the data differently. In short, the data wasn't prepared to cater to a specific needs or its consumers. It wasn't fit for purpose. This is a common problem that occurs from a lack of well-defined data standards, resulting in analysts spending a good amount of time cleansing and defining data, making up definitions rather than analyzing it to support business. I'm not saying analysts are wrong. I am myself an analyst, and, and I take pride making up my own interpretation of data. That is in most cases the reason of me being hired. So, we really want data to be fit for purpose such that they are suitable for a specific use or task. When data is not fit for purpose, there might be because of some data quality problems. This leads us to our next concept. Concept number 2, data quality. If we say something's good quality, then it is reliable and it functions as expected. Consider a mouse you bought online. If you can connect it with your computer and the buttons are responsive, then it is of good quality. We are not trying to be picky here. The mouse is working as I expected. Data quality management is just like maintaining consistent product quality. Data quality refers to the level of accuracy, completeness, consistency, and reliability of data. Poor data quality can lead to incorrect analysis, flawed decision-making, and as a result, wasted resources. In the previous example, inconsistent phone number format is one data quality issue. In fact, data quality isn't as complex as it might sound. You might have previously run SQL queries on your database to identify customers with incorrect email addresses. That is already part of data quality checks. In the market, there are vendor tools like CalibraDQ that help this process. It is a tool that enterprises use to facilitate data management. One of the functionalities is, instead of having analysts running ad hoc queries to test the data regularly, CalibraDQ provides scores to assess data quality. Once you set up the query, it will be executed on schedule, giving you a score. If a table score drops due to new data, it is time to investigate the root cause and rectify it. Therefore, maintaining high data quality is crucial for organizations to derive meaningful insights, make informed decisions, and build trust in their data-driven initiatives. It requires ongoing attention and efforts to ensure that data remains accurate and reliable. In cases of data quality issues, like inaccuracies in the data, the typical approach involves making corrections directly within the query script that generates the report. However, the best practice would be to rectify the data at the system of record level. This leads us to the third concept to understand data management. Concept number 3, system of record. Returning to our example, the analyst applies her own logic to refine the data, but the process wasn't documented. Instead, the issue should be fixed at the system of record level. The term system of record, SOR, refers to a specific and authoritative data source within an organization where the data is stored, managed, and maintained as the single, trusted, and official version of that data. It serves as the primary repository for critical and essential information, often related to core business operations. Returning to our previous example, when the formatting of customer phone number is not consistent, it is essential to establish clear documentation indicating the customer database as the system of record of customer information. After that, the data owner responsible for this specific data should take the necessary steps to ensure that all phone numbers adhere to a consistent format. By standardizing the phone number format, downstream analysts and applications will no longer need to maintain their individual data correction processes before utilizing the data. Therefore, a system of record is the cornerstone of data management within an organization, serving as the trusted repository for critical data. It ensures data accuracy, integrity, and consistency. However, the process of identifying the system of record and determining its responsible owner can be challenging for analysts. This is where metadata assumes a critical role, leading us to the fourth concept for understanding data management. Concept number 4, metadata. Some people would define metadata as data about data, which I think is unnecessarily complicated. Metadata is simply data documentation. It refers to descriptive and structured information about data. It provides context and details about data elements, helping data consumers understand, manage, and use the data effectively. Metadata can include a wide range of information about data, including its system of record, structure, content, relationship, and usage. Returning to our example, a central repository should exist to enable analysts to easily locate the system of record for phone numbers and identify the responsible data owner. If there is no structured metadata management system within a company, there will be ambiguous data definitions across different databases and amongst analysts. Therefore, metadata is critically important in data management, data governance, and data discovery. Finally, linking all these concepts together introduces us the concept of data governance. Concept number 5, data governance. For data to be fit for purpose, active data quality management is essential. System of record must be identified. Decisions about data must be well documented, transparent, and centralized. All these should be managed under the data governance program. Data governance refers to a set of processes, policies, standards, and practices that organizations implement to ensure high data quality, data management, data protection, and compliance with relevant regulations in internal policies. It includes the management of data assets through their life cycle, from creation to the collection to storage, usage, and disposal. Data governance by itself can be another video. With that said, to sum up, these are the 5 fundamental concepts you need to know to understand data management. They are fit for purpose, data quality, metadata, system of record, and data governance. I really want to hear your thoughts on this topic. Please share your comments or ask any questions below. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, have a wonderful day.